Hey guys, so I have a new exciting gadget to introduce today. C400 is new 3-in-1 action camera from SJCAM. So why is this C400 called 3-in-1 action camera? Well, first, you can see that I'm hand holding this camera. So this is a handheld vlogging camera, but the amazing thing is you can detach this camera, and this tiny little pocket camera with a display can be a very tiny pocketable action camera. And now you have two separate devices, but they are connected wirelessly. So this tiny action camera can become a remotely controlled camera. So this body becomes a remote control. So 3-in-1 action camera, it's genius. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the handheld video and also show the 4K resolution quality. So in the display on this side, the pocket camera, I can actually see myself. It's a little bit hard to see under the bright sunlight for the YouTube camera, but with my own eyes, I can totally see it very clearly. So it's really handy to have a big display as well as the small display on this side as well. So it's great for selfie, vlogging, etc. So I've just pressed the record button, and yes, now I can see myself really well. So this is 4K resolution at horizontal mode. And what do I think? While I'm hand holding, because the field of view is really wide at 154 degrees, field of view is really wide, so it's really getting me well within the big surrounding that I would want to show you when I travel with the C400 camera. This is 4K resolution, 30 frames per second, just me walking. When you're switching back and forth from the selfie mode, don't forget to make use of the huge 2.29-inch rotatable touchscreen. To access the displays at the back and front, all you need to do is swipe up and the screen comes on immediately. And to check the video, you can check it there, but why not use the big display on this side? And here is where you can check the video footage. I hope the resolution, 4K resolution that you are seeing right now is beautiful. From switching back and forth from video to photo, the features that you will probably use most, you can easily switch back and forth by swiping the screen left or even right. And you can zoom in 2 times and even 4 times it works alright. Just like the trend, SJCAM C400 can also do vertical video. So right now I'm in the vertical mode, and I can see actually the vertical framing is excellent. I see my face, I see a bit of my torso, and everything is handheld. So I'm actually holding the camera with my left arm. I'm also testing out the mic in a very noisy environment, the roads that I'm on. So I'm actually walking on a bridge. There are so many lanes, in total like 8 lanes of cars. So let me walk out into a bit of sunshine. And how's the color? So vertical mode is 1080p, I've checked. But I think 1080p at vertical mode is also totally fine. And this is 4K resolution back to the horizontal mode, the normal mode, and also field of view is great as well. And don't forget to use the slow motion feature. Since C400 can pretty much stand anywhere, I like taking some time-lapse videos with C400. And when you just use C400 pocket camera, then you can go even more creative because you can actually control C400 pocket camera with the remote control battery handle. And the wireless connection, it can go up to 8 meters in distance. So that's quite far. So you can really get creative. You can place C400 camera into small corners and take your shot from different perspectives. to check the footage, you can of course access it even in the touchscreen display of the pocket camera. So in this video, I'm showing you the combo set, and what's great about the C400 combo set is that it comes with all these accessories. And the price is amazing compared to other competitors out there, so definitely do check out in the link down below. So what do we have inside the box? Of course, there is a camera and a remote control handle with a massive 2.29-inch display, touchscreen display. The screen on C400 Pocket is also touchscreen. A waterproof case, I've checked, yes, they are waterproof. And a frame mount, base back clip, and a lanyard. An adapter, base mount, 2 curved and flat mount, 2 3M adhesive sticker, screw, a USB cable and a wipe cloth. Since SJCAM C400 is advertising a 3-in-1 action camera, so I got my bike out, so I'm gonna try it out in more action environment. So let me get my camera out. I put it in a little pouch because I noticed that C400, the buttons tend to get pressed a little easily. So I'm putting it in a pouch safely. So I got one of these mounts out, which is included in the box. So it can go onto any action camera mounts adapter. So take out the pocket camera. So you just need to press this way and then slide it out. Very secure. Ta-da! For those of you guys who enjoy selfie vlogging, then you might want to consider using this mount, which of course comes inside a box of the combo set. So it goes easily into any of the action camera mounts, such as the selfie stick that I've been having for ages. So it fits here perfectly. And the pocket camera goes right in. Perfect and very, very, very secure. So this is me with a selfie stick, and yes, the sound is directly from C400, and with a selfie stick, this is perfect for selfie vloggers because it really gives you that room. And the mount for the selfie stick, it's included inside the box. So this really, I really love the framing. I'm at the center, you see all the surroundings, and the field of view is just perfect. So far, the videos that I've shown you guys, I had the denoising on, but since this is a very quiet park, I decided to have the denoise off. Do you hear some difference? All the sound that you are hearing, yes, directly from C400. Is it good for vlogging? So just now I was selfie vlogging with C400 Pocket, and this only weighs 54 grams, so it is super duper light. And the battery within C400 Pocket is 1250 mAh, so actually it is pretty good. So in theory, it should give you 172 minutes of battery life when you're filming at 4K 30 frames per second resolution. But if you want some extra juice, then you might want to connect it to the handle. So connect it to the handle, very secure. And now extra 3000 mAh is added. So now this should give 437 minutes of total battery life. So that's definitely plenty for you to go out vlogging for the entire day. And with the battery handle, can you see? There is a universal adapter hole, so you can attach it to any selfie stick out there. If you're using the action camera selfie stick like what I have here, then of course there is an adapter which comes inside the box. So in this setup, you get the extra juice of battery, and also if you're filming something in front of you, then you really get to enjoy this huge 2.29-inch monitor. Then you really get to film something accurately and in great framing. And if you guys want some professional setup, then there is the extension handle. Since there's a screw, you can put the entire handle onto this extension handle.
and add on microphone or other accessories as you need.
Now onto a very useful accessory which is included in the combo box is the back clip. This back clip allows you to go completely hands-free.
So outside of the combo box, one accessory that I think you might want to consider getting is this, the magnet pendant, which I'm sure you guys would be very familiar with. So here there is the holder for C400 pocket camera, and there is the magnet pendant, and this magnetic force is very strong. So place the necklace and get pocket camera out, place it on the holder, and place the pendant where you want the camera to be at. And here we go. So I'm gonna show you what a bicycle shot looks like with magnetic pendant. Slide it in and magnet.
And there is dash cam mode as well.
So I've had a lot of fun playing with C400, this tiny little pocket camera with a battery handle. All the components are so handy. So if you want to check out the interesting little camera, then don't forget to check the link down below, and I'll be back with other interesting gadget reviews. So see you!